In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield wiper switch in this Ford Explorer. Let's get into it. Underneath the steering wheel, we're going to take this panel off, use a 7mm socket, take these two screws out. One there. And one there. Just grab the panel. And you're going to pull out. It's just clipped in. There we go. And there's 3 screws right here, here, and here. You want to take those out, use the same 7mm socket. Now we just want to separate the 2 covers. You can use a trim tool. Just find a gap. Just pull that down. That separates. And grab the upper cover. And you can just slide that out of the way. Now there's 2 screws in here. You want to turn the steering wheel to the side, just so you can access those 2 screws. And use a T10. It helps to use a driver instead of a socket. But a T10 driver, and take these screws out. There's one right there. And the lower one. And grab the switch. And you're just gonna slide it out. Just like that, it just slides straight out. Now take the switch, be careful, the connector is right there. You don't want to mess that up. You want to get this to line up properly. And it's just going to slide in place. And take those 2 screws, get those started. And just snug them down. Not too tight. It is in plastic. That's good. Make sure that top cover is in place. Then we take the bottom cover. There's a couple of clips on the back side, so you want to get those in first. Get those lined up. Once those are lined up, then you can get the front clipped in. There we go. Get both sides clipped in. Now get the screws started at the base of the column. These 3 screws that hold the cover on. And tighten those down. Just snug. And take the lower cover, line that up. And push it in. Take the 2 bolts. Get those started and tighten those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.